Hello everybody and welcome to another YouTube video. This is going to be an interesting one as we are planning on making a 2D platformer within 1 hour. We'll see how it goes. It's going to be a nice little game jam. As we can see, my entire project is empty, and actually if we want to further proof of that, we're going to go in here. I just basically have the set up for this. This was actually inspired by a video done by GameDev.tv, where they use three different game developers, use three different engines: Unreal, Unity, and Construct 3, I believe, and then they tried to make a 2D game within 1 hour. So, I think the only thing that I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get the Pygame wiki up. And the documentations, just so I can quick scan and read as I need to. But without too much further ado, we're going to start. Get this back up, and we'll make a new file, main.py, and that's main comma py. Already starting out great. So hopefully I remember how to do this. So screen equals. I probably should have made a temp project before this and practiced a little bit, but 100 sure. While true, this isn't C. I don't necessarily know. Quit run equals run equals false, and then we'll change this to run, and then we'll do run equals true. There we are, and then it should be pygame.quit, and from pygame.locals import star. Let's get a new terminal and then run python.py. No! Okay, that ran. Oh, it's because I'm not, if name equals main. And let's also do like pygame.init. So it's not technically needed until later. If I can Tuples. There we are. We got a window. Sweet. Only took us 4 minutes. All right. So, can't stop me now. New player.py. Import Pygame. Class player. Def net. Oh god, no. Okay, it's all good. It's all good. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Self. XY. The reason I kind of wanted to do this was just because I haven't. I thought it would just be fun. And I haven't had fun in a long time. Self.rect equals Pygame.rect. I hope that works, and then that's gonna be XY. Def draw. And then we're gonna need a screen. Oh shit, how do I do? Split screen, self that image, which we'll do self that image equals self that. How do I make this a sprite? I'm forgetting. Inheritance Python. Class person. Don't need that. Oh, I do need that. Pygame.sprite. There we are. Sprites have an update. Oh, what do you have? Self.image. Pygame.sprite. Bouncing back and forth. Color 25500. Red is gonna be the thing, and then it's going to be there. Self.image there. Player equals player XY 0. Then dot draw to the screen, and then that says scream. Don't let me forget about that. All right. Screen dot update or Pygame dot display dot update. Update screen there. Player's not defined. What do you mean I import player? Oh. Yes, this is wrong. Mainly because I was reading the wiki incorrectly. Self XY. Let's actually make it 64 by 64 just because I'm used to that. There, and then self.rect equals self.image.getRect. Self.rect.x equals self.x, self.rect, y. There we are. Now can you work? Please. What do you mean? Why is this not working? What if player let's just change that character. Player character. What do you mean? I'm importing it right here. Yes. Import player, which is the same as that. How to import Python. Never thought I'd have to look that up. But oh wait. Is it player character? Is that it? Is that the problem? Um, yes, okay, so rename. That's the issue. Entities. Sure. We don't have port entities. Entities. There we are. We're using our noggin. And then we also need a self. Because look, we're just shaking the rust off. We like screen split self dot image and self dot rect dot center. And for that I don't need these. There we are. We're becoming geniuses. It and then if I say 50, what does that create? That did not work like I wanted to. Why does that work like it does? Because that should be the center. Top left. Okay. No, sure, fuck it. I don't care. Yeah, sure. Alright. If event dot type equals key down. If event dot key equals let's just do K underscore space print here because sweet. Alright. And then we go up. And then we're like keys equals Pygame dot key dot get pressed. That should give me all the keys for key and key. What is that? That says Pygame. Something. f key equals k underscore space print hello. Whoopsies. Here, but not hello. That's interesting. If key dot key code. Key dot name. Okay, so if keys k underscore space print suppose there we are. That is more if key k underscore a val 0 minus equal 1 if keys k underscore d val 0 plus equals 1. Just going to do val equals 0. Dot update val def update self velocity. If I could get impact zero self dot y plus equal velocity 1. There. Okay. Self dot rect dot x equals self dot x there we are. That should do it, and then we'll do a draw phase, which is going to be screen dot fill 0, 0, 0. Close enough. And then we'll also do like 1000 by 800, just so. Whoops. NS. Oh well. There we are. Look, we got movement basically done. Let's do a class tile, which will also let's just do it all in here. Because nitty, because we're litty. And let's just do this. Cool. There we are. These are going to be whatever that color is. I'm gonna say that's probably gonna be some kind of muddy orange. We can do that. And then update, there's not gonna be any update. And then tiles equals that for I in range 10. Tiles dot append tile. We'll do these at I times no. Anyway, I times 64 at like 100, and then I need a sprite group. Sprite. Entities that visible group. Oh my god. Equals Pygame group, and then collision group equals Pygame dot sprite dot group, and then update group equals Pygame dot sprite. So and then how do I add to group? Okay, so tiles dot add, and then we'll actually make these up here. Add to visible group and collision group. Play, we'll do the same thing for player. We don't want to update group. That's going to be for enemies. God damn it. Okay, and then we got to do visible group. Okay. Interesting. Why did they all spawn up there? Right? Tiles. Oh. Self-direct. X equals X. Self-direct. There we are. And then we want to check collision because we're obviously going to be val1 equals 1. Right, and then I feel like this would be going better if interesting. Okay. Let's sprite collide. And then we'll do for sprite in collision group. Wait, no. For sprite in collision group dot sprites. If figuring shit out. If sprite dot collide rect thinking updating sprite collide rect because this takes left. For other in collision other, and then if sprite is not other, continue. Then like I feel like this should probably be and let's do collision group, and then we'll also do moving group, kinematic, and then we'll add these to kinematic group, because then for sprite in kinematic group, then we check the other if then we go through other dot collide rect dot sprite dot we'll do Pygame dot rect sprite dot rect dot and then in entities we'll do this, we'll do this, and then be like we'll do a character, and we'll actually yoink that, put that up here. 20 minutes left. And then enemy, this is going to be from character. This is also going to be from character. So we'll just do x, y, and then we'll do character. You can delete that now. We can delete that, delete that, delete that. Character self x comma y. Okay, now we gotta fix this update. Let's just do a self.val equals 0, 0. Self.val1. There we are. That's fixed. That's updated. We'll do DT, which will make just something small. DT, and then we'll go here and change. We'll just do def set val to so val, and then we'll do player update, and then dt is going to be 0.1 or something, and then player dot set val to val. Oh yeah. Character dot update pt. We'll see if that works. Invalid syntax. Plus sprite dot val 0. Then set sprite val 0 to equal. Now here gets to be the math that I dislike. If sprite dot val 0 is greater than 0, then this sprite dot val 0 equals sprite dot rect dot x, because it's going plus sprite dot rect dot w. So basically it's going to be other dot rect dot x minus sprite dot rect dot w. Else, which means that sprite dot val 0 equals wait, right dot rect plus, right, because that'll be the proper x position. That's what we want, but then we want the difference between that, which so that sure, let's call that good. I have 17 minutes. Dot rect dot x plus other dot rect dot w minus sprite dot rect dot x. Sure. And then we do this again, but with y. So dot rect dot sprite dot val 1. We change this to 1 1 1, and then we have to deal with y. So if y is, that means it's going down. Going down. Going up. So if it's going down, that means it should be sprite.rect.y minus sprite.rect.h minus other rect.y. Because that will be the difference in height. Yeah, sure. Let's go with that. And then it'll be other.rect.y right? Because sure. Where's this happening? 39. 39, line 77. Main, line 50. Right here. What do you mean? Player.update. Character.update. So and then we gotta go down to enemy. Okay, that's fine. That's fine as of right now. Tile has no. What? It inherits from sprite, which tile collide rect Pygame. It should tile should have a collide rect. Because it inherits from this. You know what? Maybe it's sprite. Maybe it's this. But I remember it being different. But hey, you know what? Ah ha 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 ha. Yes. Maybe we want to use a rect. Is there a collide rect on the rect? Collide rect. There we are. Okay. There we are. This makes sense. Other.rect.collide rect. And then we get rid of other. It's because I wasn't using the sprite to call collide rect. Other.rect. And it bothers me greatly that they use that as the fucking thing. Okay, Okay, so what happens? It looks like it gets jumped downward. Print. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Okay, cool. Love spelling wrong. So we want it to be the point. I have 10 minutes. This is not. I'm not going to be able to make a proper game. Cool story, bro. Tell it again. So sprite vol going down. It's going to be that the so that'll put it at the same height, right? No. Sprite.rect.y other.rect.y. So that should because other.rect.y should be higher. So that should be negative, which means that it would be going up. Right? Let's just say -1. Why didn't that work? Oh. Okay, never mind. I'm just stupid. Because I'm not giving I wasn't even giving it a chance to do anything. Sprite.rect.h. Sprite.rect.y minus sprite.rect.h. Maybe that's plus. There we are. So we have sliding movement. Because we there we are. And then if we press let's just do player.vel 0 player.vel player Alright, that changes absolutely nothing, and then player dot there we are. Cool. this. Equals -10. We'll do, so we got to do that, this here, apply gravity also up here. Why? I suppose. Oh, it's because I'm resetting it the very next frame. ACC entities self.acc equals 0, comma 0. Update self.vel 0 plus equals self.acc 0 self.vel. Basically what I got to program in an hour with a limited amount of Pygame wiki knowledge is a collision system, I suppose. And then if going down and it is collided, then sprite.acc1 equals 0. Sheesh. Oh wait, times dt times dt. Times dt times dt. I wasn't even using it. What even happens? That's very interesting. That's very interesting right there. Okay, cool. Yeah. As I have 2 minutes left, let's just see if we can get the player to because things fall at this. So that should happen. And then why? Like, what if I do 2 or something? Why is it bouncing? Interesting. Let's also like bring these down to like 200 or so. I don't know. I just don't want them. Yeah, 45 seconds left. Let's just stop the timer there. But we do have a nice little physics system. It works fine except for the acceleration, obviously. I don't know why that is. Right there. Maybe we just need a smaller physics step. Oh, no. So it goes. Because I'll tell you, I kind of know what's happening. Um, it's like doing this, and then when it's like, um, right, it got to the point. Let's just draw a line. How do I draw a line in Pygame? It's probably gonna be like, um, Pygame dot draw dot line from the origin, which is going to be player direct dot center to, well, it's gonna be on the screen, and then we'll do just like 255, 255, 255, to player dot back dot center x player plus dot AC1, and we can do player player dot ACC 0, but that's always 0 as of right now, because that'll be there. And I think what we'll see, oh wait, no, that's a constant. Whoops. But we can do this exact same thing with val. So we'll see two different lines. And you know what? Let's do an offset. We don't want this. We just want an offset. Just like plus -5 plus 5. And we'll only have that offset on the x-axis. And then we'll do like +5 plus -5 plus. There. That way we can see it. because what's going to happen um, is this. Like, the fact that it doesn't even touch bugs me a bit. Um, but I have a feeling that it just keeps adding. And then we can. Ooh, maybe it's because this isn't correct. Um, like one of these, because that's going right. Going. Um, let's let's cancel that for now. But okay, so let's just do what I like to call that. That way it shouldn't screw with anything. If and let's do like, let's just cut the time in half. That's so weird. What the hell? I am so confused at that. Okay. I was hoping to decode that, debug that real quick on video, but I mean, it's already an hour-long video. I'll probably cut some of the non-important bits out. I might just leave it all in. Who knows? But thank you all for watching, and I hope we had a great time here. Um, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. You know the dealio. Um, but bye bye.